الحمد لله لوليه والصلاة على نبيه أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون صدق الله العظيم. Respected teachers, honorable chief guests, and my fellow students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, the topic of my speech is importance of prayers. We, alhamdulillah, are born Muslim. Allah Kareem blessed us with a household already a Muslim, with values, traditions which support the Islamic lines. For a new Muslim and born Muslim, the first duty or obligation is to say prayers. We are commanded to say 5 prayers in a day. As we all know, they are Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib and Isha. Inna as-salata kanat 'ala al-mu'minina kitaban mawquta. Verily, the prayers are obligated on believers with the time adherence. About the prayer, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it makes his eyes blissful. This prayer will be paid on the day of judgment. It is a moral duty on all of us to say the prayers and teach them to our next generation. Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "As-salatu miftahul jannah." Prayer is the key to paradise. In another hadith, he said, "As-salatu mi'raj al-mu'min," which translates that prayer takes a moment to very high ranking in Iman. On the day of judgment, the first question will be asked about prayer. As in Persian, some quoted it a very good way. Roze mahshar ke jaan udas bood, awwal purshash namaz bood. So, my dear fellows, on the day of judgment, the conditions will be tough. One should make his prayers good. In the end, I pray to Allah Kareem that His will and support may continue on with me and you all, that we pray the best way for acceptance.